So today I'm gonna talk about the tutorial which fight. So for this week, I would like to talk about the key concept that I learned from this class and plan how the concept will be applied in the real world business solution. So the first thing is we learn about the difference between traditional file environment data management system or DBMS. So in the traditional file environment, different departments often maintain their own separate file. This can create several problems such as data memory, data inconsistent, program data dependence, poor data security, and lack of the data sharing. And the second concept we learn about is the relationship between the data. So the regional data organization information into table, which information is stored, while the attribute describes a character of that category. For example, like a supplier can be entry and the supplier name, address, supplier number can be is attributes. And it also learn about the private key and foreign key. So the private key usually identify each record in the table, while the foreign key have concept one table to another. Some example like supply number can be primary key and supply table can be you add up a foreign key in the part table, and this allows business to connect related information and receive it more efficiently. Another important concept was normalization. So normalization means organization data to reduce the data and avoid application relationship. Instead of storing all the information in one large table, related information can be separated into different tables such as supplier, part order, and lab item. And that table can be connected by using key. And the normalization is very useful because it makes data more organized and help reduce the unnecessary duplication of information. So the next page will visit integration. So we learn about different API components, include the data warehouse, data mart, data lake, and in-memory computing. So the data knowledge pattern, data warehouse store current and historical data from different organization systems and provide information for analyze and report. So the data mart is smaller part of the data warehouse that's focused on specific subject or business area. Some example like company can have the sales data mart for the sales department. The technology are useful for management system because they have them access relevant information and make better business decisions. And we also learn about the key lesson information important of data governance and the data quality. So the time data government refer to policy and reduce you to manage data. As an organization research, it includes rule, sharing, standardizing, classifying, and controlling information. So data quality is also important because infractor or incomplete data leads incorrect, analyze, and poor decision. And finally, we learn about automation can also improve in the data management. The AI can be used for tasks such as data classification, data categorizing, and improve data quality and security, data integration, and data analysis. And all the things here can help the organization manage large amount of information more efficiently.